Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm super excited because today is my Pinterest inspired DIY challenge where I asked anybody who wishes to participate to find something that inspires them, a project or a DIY on Pinterest, and recreate it. And this was an open invitation. So being that it's an open invitation, there will be a playlist link down below, so make sure you check out everybody's video that is participating. I am going to be recreating this cutting board Halloween decor. I had found this on Pinterest and I love the way it looks. On Pinterest, however, they used a thrifted cutting board, but I have had this one on hand. I picked it up at Dollarama for $4, so I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to use some black acrylic paint, orange acrylic paint, and some cocoa bean brown chalk paint. So I'm going to get started. I also want to mention, if you haven't had a chance to see, yesterday I had posted my Halloween room tour. I have decorated my home daycare playroom. I do home daycare as a full-time job, and this year there is not going to be any trick-or-treating in our town, so I wanted to give my daycare kids something extra special. So I had really decked out the daycare room. So make sure you head down to my home channel, which is linked down below, and check out that home tour and let me know what you think if you are into Halloween. So I had painted the top with brown, and then I'm going to paint the main part of the cutting board orange. There we go. I am going to apply a little bit more brown on top, but as far as orange, I'm going to keep it as is. There we go. And now I'm going to add a face. I think I should be able to do it without it completely drying. I remember where I grew up, we did not have Halloween, but every year we carved pumpkins. And that was what fall was all about. Carving pumpkins and baking pumpkin seeds. Roasting pumpkin seeds. You could also, for this, I haven't actually seen them this year, but sometimes you can find stickers that you could add to your pumpkins, and I think that would be kind of neat. And create pumpkin faces. You could also do that here. I think that would be kind of neat. Okay, then I think that's a pretty cute face, not too scary. And I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to add just a little twine to it. You could add raffia if you have some, or you can leave it as is. So it is all nice and dry. Just going to tie this right here. Like I said, you can use raffia, you can use ribbon, whatever you have on hand. And you can also do a loop on top here to hang it up if that's what you wanted. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This will be my second last video for fall and Halloween. I have one more tomorrow, and then we are starting with Christmas, and I'm starting my Christmas with my challenge invitations, which I will be posting on Thursday. I will be posting a video on each of my channels announcing the challenges. So if you want to do decorating, DIYs, or cooking, make sure you tune in on Thursday for all the details. I'm super excited of what I have coming up, and I hope you will be joining me, and I'm looking forward to what everybody else will be creating for Christmas. Christmas is my most favorite season of all. Fall is second, but Christmas is definitely my favorite, and I'm looking forward to creating all the DIYs and decorating and cooking for it. So make sure you check out the playlist, which will be linked down below. And I would like to thank everybody who participated in this challenge, and I would also like to thank everybody who took the time to watch the videos, and for commenting on them. And I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.